Good morning. This is the Salty Stock Skipper coming to talk to you about the pre-market. It is Monday. Happy Monday, the 26th of August. We are here looking at the what's moving, what's shaking, and what's continuation, and what might be failing. All right, let's get us started really quick because I don't have a whole lot of time to get this done really in the morning. Starting off here, some of the movers we got. We got MRM. Mediram. There you go. Mediram Healthcare Tea. Spoken up. Coffee's just now kicking in. So, Mediram is running up. Looks like they had maybe some morning news. Let's see. Reported Friday, Mediram Labs partnered with NFES Technologies to capital and business alliances. So, there's basically a partnership. So business alliance was formed between the two companies. That's really it. All right, but they are the runner this morning. Right now we are at 3 million, almost 4 million volume, with a 157% jump in their stock. So kudos to you who were holding out for a long time at a very low price because they just had a good jump. Now we got MIRA. So this is another one of the, let's see, this is Salty's best stock scanner. Another one that had a gap up, and now in the pre-market, early pre-market, well I guess post-market, now in the pre-market we're kind of sloughing off a little bit. But we could have a continuation play there. The other one, let's see, what else we got? So for our gappers, we have XPEV. XPEV is currently had a gap last night. Kind of shows it's looking like a bear candle a little bit set up on the 5 minutes. Same with the 1 minute. We're under VWAP, so there is a chance, in my opinion, I'd be looking at this returning back to previous lows, but you never know. What was their news? Really not much of anything. So we'll go on to the next one. UEC. Let's see. I gotta have something in the background there. UEC. Shares of the uranium stock are trading higher following reports suggesting that the world's largest uranium, let's pull it open all the way, producer slashed its 2025 production target. Okay, so reduction in target. It's odd that it would be running up, but it's running up. And let's pull in the low floats. Once again, MRM is on low float. SING, SING is back in there again. If you don't remember, SING was on the scanner a little while ago for a couple run-ups back here, but overall, it just continued on its downtrend. This is the past 20 days to 30 minutes, or 10 days, 30 minutes. If we go out even further, 20 days, 1 hour, constantly been running down on a downtrend. But you never know. There's always a chance to return to previous highs. Just when that happens, who knows? All right, let's look at the next one. What do we got next? VRAX. VRAX has been a popular one in the discussions. We'll look at the past 5 days, 5 minutes. You know, we had a good couple run-ups, and a lot of people probably were hoping for a continuation, but they got denied. Just constantly ran on down and had a good downtrend, but they did return almost to their high. So, but then again, they got denied again. So we'll be interesting to see what happens next. Actually, I think that was the same deny, but you can see how they had the downtrend here, and then they returned and just had another downtrend. You know, patterns repeat themselves sometimes. Could this be turning back over to do a downtrend, or could it be going against the standard pattern and going back up? We shall see. It might be something to keep an eye on because this was a quick little gap down, so obviously looks, well, not obviously, but it looks like somebody was maybe holding out and then just sold off their big slough there. And then, so there's a chance that this might return to the high. You're up on the upper Bollinger Band there, so let's see if I can get over to the end. Maybe I wasn't zoomed out all the way. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there was a few more days. So yeah, so we came back up, came back down. We're kind of consolidating. We've been between these two levels here, about 625-ish, and almost just shy of $5 almost. So right in that area, we're consolidating. So we could have a gap up again, or a volatility run to the up, or volatility run to the down. We'll see. All right, last one. Salty's best stock pre-market scanner. What do we got there? We got MRM UBXG. UBXG is climbing back up from a big slough off last Friday. Friday pre-market looked like it sloughed off quite a bit, and we're down here to lows again from previous. Let's see, 10 days ago. Yeah, that's huge. That's scary. Nobody wants to ride that train. I mean, that's I don't even. If this is a 5-minute candle, that's a 5-minute candle that just went from 32 all the way down to 5. Did something happen? Was there a split? When was this? This was, yeah, who knows? That's an ugly, but you never know. It could run back up the other way. I don't think I'll be touching that one. Again, MIRA. It looks like it might be a player, but it's under VWAP. Not my fan. Siri is still in there. I think Warren Buffett invested in the Siri not too long ago, if I'm not mistaken. You probably need to look at some previous news. Like I said before, don't follow my strategies. I'm just talking about what I see and how I see it and what might be in play. Do your own thing. INDO had a high of, what was that? Let's look at that. 489, and it's been coming down ever since. Had another pop up though overnight. Could be a player. Return to your next resist line. It could be all the way up to 422. I mean, there might be a few little minor ones in here, but yeah. So I'd be looking for the 422 break, and if it breaks that, then go higher. I don't see anything. Well, you're still kind of right here on this candle here a little bit. This little wick, 435 or almost $4. So you're testing the $4 right now for a play. If it breaks the $4, I might put a little entry in and see what happens. All right, and that's it. That's what's going on. How the market's looking overall. Not to say bad things, but usually the market over time will do a correction. So just that's what I'm going to be watching for and being cautious. The last thing I want to do is give back my multi-day gains, or even in my longs. Hold out on my longs and let half of it go away, just to have to ride it back up again and hope it does. So, all right, I'm the Salty Stock Skipper. Until next time, set your course, plan your strategy, and stick to it. Ride the waves, and make sure you don't get into troubled waters for too long. All right, see ya.